you are now.
We are now at the Kota Tinggi riverside. Okay, this is the most exciting of the program, Firefly Tour. Okay, adults only pay $15, children $10. Okay, young one free. Okay, so everybody now mood is very high. Okay, and we are going to have a first exposure to fireflies.
What's the time now? What time are you boarding?
We have to have a half an hour more to wait. Okay. We are still waiting for the dawn to come.
And what's the program after that?
The program after that, makan lagi lah.
Okay. Yeah, where
Makan.
Go to 777 there and makan.
Okay, that's good. Okay, good.
Yes, that is the Chinatown.
I wish you all a nice evening and continue your onward journey
you
again.
can also participate karaoke on the stage.
We are going to this place. Nice place, beautiful one.
Alright, very good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so enjoy your night. Yeah.
So okay, I hope everybody enjoy. Okay, and God bless.
Okay, thank you.